Make a great choice today with the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, power brakes, dual exhaust, rear window wiper, interval wipers, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry, premium sound system, security system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.